In today's video, we are diving into the exact blueprint for launching a meme coin that actually prints money. I'm talking about the secret sauce to attract instant liquidity and push those multi-million-dollar market caps. Seriously, bro, I'm done with the trading. It's time to step up and build your own meme coin. If you're still just buying bags instead of creating them, you're leaving life-changing money on the table. Before we start, make sure you watch till the end. I'll be dropping one soul anywhere in this video. Do you see my phantom wallet? It's $9.1 million, and this is all from deving meme coins, not by trading. That's why I'm making this video to show you how it works. Look, let's be real. Most people in this space don't lose money because they can't read a chart or spot a trend. They lose because they're just buying coins and getting completely wiped out by the devs. That's the truth. What usually happens is they jump in once the hype is already peaking. By then, the person who launched the coin is just waiting to exit on that demand and take everyone's liquidity. It's a cycle. That's exactly why a lot of other experienced traders are shifting gears. We're moving away from trading and getting into deving. Honestly, it's just the smarter move. It's way more profitable, plain and simple. Think about it. When you trade, your money is at risk every single second. But when you're the one deving, you aren't risking anything. You can literally launch these coins for $0. Now sure, launching has become a lot more popular here in 2026, but the space is still wide open and incredibly lucrative. If you search YouTube for how to dev meme coins, I'm practically the only one actually talking about it. It's still that untapped. That's why I'm putting this video. Stick around together, and just so we're clear, this video is purely for educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor, man. Please just do your own research before you dive into anything. Alright, so when someone decides they want to step up and dev a meme coin, they almost always look straight at Pump.Fun. 95% of the market is blindly launching their tokens on there right now. It's the most popular platform, that's a fact. But here is the brutal reality. Pump.Fun is insanely saturated, bro. Coins are launching non-stop, and the vast majority of them lose all momentum instantly. If you're still dropping your coins there, you aren't deving, you're just gambling. You're just sitting there hoping your chart magically goes viral, which is literally impossible. On top of that, there's a massive catch. Pump.Fun literally holds your liquidity pool hostage and skims a percentage right off your creator fees. You are literally losing total control of your own money. And I also launch coins on Pump.Fun. Not really that good, bro. Look, as a dev, your absolute main focus has to be getting your token straight onto the Raydium DEX. That is where the real traders are, and it's where the massive pools of liquidity are actually sitting. Now, normally to get to that point, you have to drop your coin on Pump.Fun and battle it out in the trenches just to hit that $55,000 market cap. But bro, there is a massive shortcut, and this is exactly why I completely switched over to launch Meme.Fun to launch my meme coins. Literally every single token you deploy through launch Meme.Fun completely skips that bonding curve and goes straight to Raydium. You instantly level up to the DEX, putting your chart in front of thousands of active buyers right on the spot. Now, to make a meme coin, you have two different strategies. The first way to make a coin is by using the Create Coin tab. It's the main page, and here is where you can make a custom coin by going on X, going on any social media platform and looking for a narrative. For example, bro, there's a war between Iran and USA is going on. That is a really good narrative. These memes are good too, but once you have a narrative, come back to launch Meme.Fun, invent a name, add a quick symbol, then add a quick logo, and then your meme coin is custom made after these steps. But I like to use the second method. I've personally grown my entire portfolio from the copy trending coin strategy. Check this out, all these coins right here, they're already going viral on Pump.Fun. They've got the community and the volume locked in. So instead of stressing over a custom narrative, you just vamp one of these over to Raydium. It gives you a much higher chance of pulling those same people over to your coin. Honestly, if you're feeling lazy, this is the way to do it. That's exactly why I vamp coins. Alright guys, now for the best part, a live example. I'm going to show you exactly how to copy a coin, and we'll see how much we can actually make by the end of this video. I'm cashing out, showing the wallet, everything, no gatekeeping here. First step, make sure your phantom wallet is connected. Hit refresh and look for a decent market cap coin. I'm going with this one, Lobstar. Let's hit copy to Raydium. Wait for the phantom window to pop up. Just ignore the block, it's normal. It's almost showing this on every site. Hit proceed and the I understand and click confirm. Now we just give it a second to breathe and boom. If I click view on SolScan, you can see it was minted 10 seconds ago. It's live. Everything's working perfectly on the chain. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part is actually easier to do than it is to explain. This is where we create the Raydium liquidity pool. It's very straightforward. Basically, by creating the pool here, we own the supply in our wallet before anyone else, and it launches straight to Raydium. For the amount of Lobster coin, I'm hitting 90%. That's going to drop 900 million tokens. Step 2 is the initial pair. This is your first buy, the very first transaction on your own coin. I'm putting in 3 SOL, you can add whatever you want. And remember, you aren't losing this money. When you cash out later, the SOL you put in for the supply comes right back into your phantom wallet. Let's hit create pool. Wait for the wallet to pop up. Ignore the block warning, as I tell you it's showing on every site, so just hit proceed and click I understand and then confirm. Done. Now your token is open for trade. After that, bro, when that is done, then scroll down and boom, the Lobster coin is now live and your profits are going to be right there. And if you click on the refresh button, you can see your metrics. For example, right now, within a couple of seconds, we're up $117. Now, click on view on Photon. Our token is live and gaining some good profits, but to add spice to the token, I'm going to use a quick promotion tool which boosts the token, so head over to promotememes.fun. Forget about wasting hours manually posting. This site gets you instant exposure on DexScreener, GMGN, and Birdeye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your promotion. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this Lobster, select Raydium, and hit confirm. Click pay and promote, approve the transaction, and you are done. Now just watch. It's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So jump back to your Photon and see the live chart of your token. If I had to guess, I think we're up around 5,000 or 6,000 bucks. Bang, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my God, bro. More people are buying in. I think we're up like $14,000 right now. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally some dollars and just hit 30,000 market cap. This is insane. If the meme is hot, then you can cash out good money now. A bunch of people are buying in. That's exactly why people are saying that deving is the new meta. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. Alright guys, I am back and bang bro. We are up to a $44,000 market cap and it has only been like a couple of minutes. Like it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. Now I think I'm going to, dump it. So come back to launchmeme.fun real quick and then click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, bro, we are going to receive around $32,000. It does change. The coin could go down or higher. So yeah, now click on the minus button really fast. Do 100% remove liquidity. Wait for your phantom wallet to pop up and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, or understand. Confirm and boom, bro. That's exactly how you dev a coin and then cash out. But look, if I open my phantom wallet, I received the money, $32,532, and it's 378 SOL in my phantom. Now, bro, do not get me wrong, okay? The results will vary from one to the other. All websites which I use in this video will be linked in the comments, and good luck to everyone who gonna make coin. Before you go and start building, I want to give one of you a head start. I'm giving away 1 SOL to 1 person to help cover your first deployment costs. Here is how to enter. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video. Drop a comment below with the word rug